Want to add door access card to your iPhone and use NFC to open doors? In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. First, you'll need to get this app, Shortcuts. This is the default app in your device. Launch it and navigate to the option Automation. Now click on the option U Automation. Now here you're going to find different option. Scroll until you find the option NFC. Click on it. Tap Scan and hold your iPhone near the NFC door access card you want to add. Once your phone detects it, give the tag a name so you can recognize it later. After that, tap Next and add the action you want to trigger when the card is scanned. For example, opening an app or unlocking a compatible door system. When you are done, tap Done to save your automation. Now, whenever you hold your iPhone near the door's NFC reader, it will automatically run the linked action and unlock the door. And that's all it takes to set up door access using NFC on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.